Go to the Microsoft SQL Server download page by clicking on Install SSMS or visit the link given in description. Scroll down to the Download SSMS section and select the version of SSMS you want to download. Click on the Download button to start the download. Once the download is complete, run the SSMS installation file. Select the features you want to install or leave the default options selected, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take several minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the installation wizard. Launch SSMS by opening the Windows Start menu and searching for SQL Server Management Studio, then selecting the appropriate version. Enter the appropriate connection details to connect to your SQL Server instance. Congratulations! You have successfully installed SQL Server Management Studio on your system.